One of the great things about smart TVs today is all the different content that you can watch with all the different apps that are available. In today's tech video, I'm going to show you how to download apps on your Hisense smart TV. After I show you how to get apps on your TV, I will tell you about 4 recommended apps that you might want to check out that'll give you free movies and TV shows. First thing you're going to want to do is press the home button. Then go to select streaming channels. They call them channels, but they really are just apps. Search for the channel you want to install. For example, one like Hulu or Disney Plus. Then select channel and then add channel. Now, some older and less common Hisense TVs, you might have to go to Home, Apps, then Get More Apps. Here are a few apps that you might want to download. The first app is called LowCast. This is great for getting some local TV channels to your TV without paying for cable or using a TV antenna. 3 more free apps to download and check out are Xumo, Tubi TV, and Pluto TV. These are all free apps that have a lot of movies, TV shows, and sports channels. Well, thanks for checking out this video, guys. If it was helpful to you, go ahead and click a thumbs up on it and go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I make tech videos all the time, and I would love to have you back in the next one. Take care.